Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development that could reshape the entire automobile industry. Imagine a new engine emerging that not only stuns the world but sends a clear message to car manufacturers everywhere. The game has changed. Elon Musk has once again made headlines, and this time, it's with a motor that could redefine the electric vehicle landscape. People have been saying the race for electric vehicles is just heating up, but Tesla has taken a leap that might just leave competitors in the dust. This isn't just about speed, it's about a revolution in technology that could change how we think about driving forever. So, how did Tesla achieve this? What makes this new motor so special? And what does it mean for the future of transportation? Let's talk about Tesla's latest innovation, the carbon-wrapped rotor. While the name might sound technical, the implications are anything but. Traditional electric motors have limitations, often overheating and breaking down at high speeds. Most can only spin up to 15,000 or 16,000 RPM, but Tesla's new motor can reach an astonishing 20,000 RPM thanks to its lightweight and incredibly strong carbon fiber design. This means not only faster acceleration, but also greater torque, allowing Tesla vehicles to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, an achievement that even supercars struggle to match. But speed isn't the only advantage. Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor is designed for efficiency. It minimizes energy wastage, meaning longer battery life and less frequent stops at charging stations. Imagine driving long distances without the anxiety of running out of power. Plus, this motor is built to last, reducing maintenance costs and increasing the vehicle's lifespan. Now, let's consider the production side. Tesla's innovative design requires fewer rare metals, making it cheaper to manufacture. This means Tesla can offer high-performance vehicles at competitive prices, putting pressure on traditional automakers still relying on outdated designs. While companies like Ford and GM are stuck refining old models, Tesla is forging ahead with a fresh approach that could leave them scrambling to catch up. And it doesn't stop there. Tesla's dual-power system, its advanced battery technology combined with cutting-edge AI, sets it apart from the competition. The new 4680 battery offers faster charging, longer life, and more energy storage, while Tesla's AI continuously learns from real-world driving experiences, making its self-driving capabilities unmatched. With Gigafactories strategically located around the globe, Tesla can produce vehicles at an unprecedented scale, ensuring that they can meet demand while keeping costs down. This direct-to-consumer model eliminates middlemen, making the buying process smoother and more efficient for customers. So, what does all this mean for the future? Tesla isn't just building cars, they're creating a comprehensive ecosystem that combines speed, efficiency, and intelligence. As they continue to innovate, the gap between Tesla and its competitors is widening, making it increasingly difficult for others to keep pace. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of automobiles. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned, because the revolution is just beginning, and you won't want to miss what's next.